Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. If you just updated to Fortnite Chapter 6 Season 3 and you're hyped to play but ran into the POC is invalid error, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's fix this issue step by step so you can get back in the game. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helps. First, open up your Epic Games launcher. Go to your library, find Fortnite, and click the three dots next to it. Select Manage and look at your installation folder path. Now go to this path. Fortnite, then Fortnite Game, then Content, then Packs. This is where the issue lives. In the Packs folder, sort all the files by size. Scroll down until you see small files around 9 to 10 megabytes or even smaller. These are likely the corrupted or unnecessary pack files. Select all of these small files and Shift+Delete to remove them completely. Don't worry, Fortnite will re-download the correct files. Now head back to the Epic Games launcher. Click the three dots again next to Fortnite. Hit Verify. Epic will now scan and re-download about 100 to 150 megabytes of fresh game files. The speed of this step depends on your hardware and whether you're on SSD or HDD. Once the verification finishes, click Launch and boom, you should be back in the lobby without errors. If this worked for you, drop a comment and let me know. Smash that like button and consider subscribing to 1 Minute IT Shot for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.